Hello, today I'm going to unboxing it. This is a projector and AKEY6S Pro. Very nice packing. I'm fully satisfied with this packing, but after opening,
just we are unboxing it, and the packing was very good. And just I got the packet from DTDC, and I got this product as per the given time. And very much thank you for the owner, AKEY 6S Pro.
now almost the packing is open successfully. And one more thing is that the projector is a 3D projector. So basically I'm using this for the coaching tuition purposes. Online and home offline education, hybrid mode education will be conducted here, SINHA coaching center, and I'm purchasing it. And this is the unboxing, and also I'm purchasing another air mouse, and I will explain in this video all the things. It will help you a lot. So this is the first things, and please zoom it. This is a remote, nice remote, and this is a where, and I got two 3D glasses and for watching 3D movie, and I just keep it inside. And this is the main part. Now just open it. Oh, nice packing. And this is finally I got the product. Very big, very the length is almost 12 centimeter, almost 12 or 30 60 centimeter, 12 inch. In that side also 10 inch, and this is almost 5 inch. And in this box, yes, this one for adjusting table, adjusting point is also there. And I just in the table we can use, and also wall mounting system also available here. So finally the unboxing is done, and now I'm going to show you. This is AKEY6S Pro projector, and already set up. And I also purchased one air mouse, and where this side is keyboard is there, and this is the sensor. We just plug in here, and then just see. I just take one video.
For avoiding this copyright case, I just remove the sound here, and just I put my sound, and just creating this video. And this is a very large screen. It will helps you for taking online and offline classes as a hybrid mode, so you can purchase it.
Just I'm going to on the light, and in the daylight also the video is nice. So we can use this one for online and offline purpose. And this is the air mouse, and I'll show you what is the function. Just if you click here, then this will be plugged, and if we can start here, and if you want to